Make inviolable appointments with yourself. In the book Time Management for Entrepreneurs, Dan Kennedy talks about the idea that he makes inviolable work appointments with himself on his calendar as far as 3 months out. Now, it is really important to notice the word inviolable. That means it cannot be changed, it cannot be touched. No matter what, you must follow through on that work appointment with yourself and do what you said you will do. Now, it can start with something as simple as making 30-minute daily appointments with yourself on your calendar and following through on those 30-minute appointments, as in doing exactly what you said you will do. And then you can increase this over time. Now, here's the reason why it works. If you create these inviolable appointments with yourself and you follow through and you keep your commitment, what you do is you develop self-trust. You tell yourself, I do what I say I will do. And you develop self-respect. You tell yourself, I like myself, I respect my own word, and hence you start to develop self-discipline. You realize you can follow through on your word and you are disciplined.